Aaron here, trying to make some farm cheese. Very simple farm cheese. 2 gallons of goat milk, 1 cup of vinegar, and that's it. So this is gonna be a very simple recipe. I actually don't know exactly what I'm doing. Liz is so much better at this than me, but I had too much milk in the fridge, so it was time to try to make some. If it comes out real bad, Liz will probably make it in the next couple of days and show me what I did wrong. So step 1, clean your goat milk, filter it, right? Actually, step 1 is get it out of your goat. Step 2, clean it and filter it. And then put it in a pot, right here. We got a little thermometer, we got a pot, 2 gallons of milk, and we're just gonna stir away and stir away, pretty much constantly stir so it doesn't burn. And then we're gonna get it up to about 180 degrees, take it off the heat, slowly add in our 1 cup of vinegar and let it sit for about 5-10 minutes, maybe 15 minutes. We'll just watch it, see how much it separates. Then we'll pour it into a strainer, which I have right behind me in the sink with some cheesecloth in it, and then we will hang it. So it's a very, very simple process. It'll take me half an hour to make it and go from there. It's been about 10 minutes and we're still mixing. We're at about 155 degrees. Got to go to about 185, 187. We don't want it going over 190. So we want between that 180, 190 range. So if we pull it off at 185, it should be good. So we're starting to get close. We're at about 171 degrees. I just dropped my thermostat. Yeah, we're at about 171. We're starting to get very close, and it's starting to get frothy on the top. See? Frothy. That's a good thing. And there it is, 180. So we're gonna slide it off the heat. Kill the heat. And you could notice we're still at 180. So we're good. We hit that 180 mark. Now we're gonna add our vinegar. Okay, now it's time to pour that into my cheesecloth here. One tip, wet your cheesecloth first. Don't pour all that into dry cheesecloth. It'll stick. Here we go. All right, so I took the cheese out of the strainer and I hang it from my cabinets actually with a little clip and let it drain into this pan. And we're just gonna let it drain for, I don't know, it could take an hour, so basically until it stops dripping. You watch the drips, and when it gets to no dripping, we check it out, see if there's enough moisture in it. If not, like I said, I really don't know what I'm doing. Liz is so much better at this than me. So we'll probably post another how to make cheese better than Aaron video coming soon. So after 2 hours of draining, I came to find my cheese, and somebody, the cheese maker, put it in the fridge for me already. She threw a little herbs on the top of it, but take a look. Let's see if we can get a picture here. It's still a little wet. It's still losing more moisture, but take a look here. Oh yeah, a little crumbly, kind of like a regatta. Perfect. Still a little warm. And when it gets colder, it'll firm up a little more. Mwah. Yummy. Okay, shameless plug. One of the best ways to eat this cheese is on a cracker with Swanky Sauce. I have it right here in a squeeze bottle. That big orange label means hot, spicy hot. All right, a little drip, 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 drip. Just like that. Link in the comments below if you need to get Swanky.